Hi viewers, welcome to another video from Alfreton Railway Station. I've said before on previous videos you might learn something. Well, let me update you on a car parking situation at Alfreton. They are going to be installing anpr cameras at the entrance. The cameras they've got now, they're not anpr cameras. I was told today that the anpr cameras are going to be installed sometime in the very near future, which basically means you have to pay in the big car park, ticket machine there and ticket machine over there, and the short stay car park you're limited to 20 minutes. Well, you will be limited to 20 minutes. Not at the moment, not until the cameras have been put in. So basically if you're 1 second over 20 minutes, once the cameras are in, I think it's about £75 fine. If you've got a blue badge, you can register on their website, on the camera operator's website, where you can apply for a permit, which will give you free parking. Like I say, the anpr camera's not been put in yet. There's a train coming, hold on.
Platform 1 for the 11:44 Northern Service 2 leaves via Barnsley. Calling out Chesterfield, Barnsley, Riddlesden, Arthur, Wakefield Circle, and Leeds.
That train's off to Leeds, yep. One 195,009. Like I was saying, if you've got a blue badge, you can apply for a permit which is free of charge in the car park once the cameras have been put in. And the permit normally lasts about 1 year. So watch this space. I will update you when I know they're being installed, the cameras, as I'll have got a nice contact in East Midlands Railway. He'll tell me what's happening. But in the meantime, folks, let's get some trains on film, shall we? This one's going to Leeds, dropping people off, and then it will come back again sometime this afternoon.
We are sorry to announce that the 1207 East Midlands Railway Service to Norwich and Nottingham is currently being delayed. Calling out Nottingham, Grantham, Peterborough, Ely, Thetford and Norwich.
Did you hear that? It's being delayed, the next train. I've just checked the timetable. There's a freight train due in a minute. Not sure which one it is, to be honest with you folks. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? Right, come on train. Here it comes now, looks like Freightliner. Six 762. That was a short one, wasn't it? One 58857 on the front. I was expecting 2 freight trains, but we got 2 of these instead. That's off to Liverpool. And one coming towards us is going to Norwich. 170202. Here comes one of our freight locos. (66315), that one. I was expecting a longer train, but still. Right, viewers, if you're a blue badge holder, I'll put a link in the description below of the parking camera operators details, and if you've got a blue badge you can apply for a free permit for Alfreton Railway Station and for any other train station you want. Like I say, the anpr camera's not been put in Alfreton yet, but it will be done in due course. I was hoping for a freight train to come from that direction, but it's not coming. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? And I'll keep you up to date with the anpr cameras at Alfreton. I know Chesterfield have got cameras already. They are East Midlands Railways, same as Alfreton train station is. So if you've got a blue badge and you apply for a permit, it does ask you where you want your permit to be based. I clicked on all locations. That covers me anywhere that the camera operator has got a car park with anpr cameras in, anywhere in the country. So like I said, I'll leave a link below in the description below, and click on it, apply for a free permit, and I'll catch you all soon in the next video. Yeah, see you all soon.